This video is for Monday, August 30th. We did a back-to-back stem plot or comparative stem plot based on the number of shoes people had in both third period and seventh period. So we did this previously on Friday, and we had already set up our stem. You can use the exact same stem, but this time make two vertical lines. And we're going to have the stem go right down the middle of our page, or middle of the graph, wherever you're making this graph. And I'm going to title this AP Statistics. Oops. Pairs, or let's say number of shoes. I'm going to graph the third period pairs of shoes on the left and seventh period on the right. Now, most likely the exact same stem that we used in class will work again here, but just to double check, skim through the data, find the min and the max for all the numbers. So I see a 2 and I see a 27, so we need to make sure our stem accounts for those two numbers, regardless of the class period we're looking at. That's our min and our max. So I believe on Friday we split the stems and we did a low for our single, whoops, I need to back up. We did a low for our single digits, so that 0L resembles shoes 0 to 4. And 0H will resemble shoes 5 to 9. Let me fix that 5. And 1L will resemble 10 to 14 and so on. And you don't even really have to write all three of those. Really, you just need one legend. And I'll do that in a second. So we have 0H, 1L, 1H, 2L, and 2H. And so that I don't forget, I'll make my official legend over here. You can do it two ways. You can say the stem represents the place value, and in this case it's tens, and leaf is ones. Or you can give an example. So you could say, pick a pair of shoes there, 18. Resembles 1H vertical line 18. So you're allowed to do that for an example. And from there you just start making numbers. Cross out as you go if you need to, but here we go. So in third period we had 5 and 5. We have 21. We have 5 again, 11, 22, 18, 8, 8, we have a 20, another 22, a 4, an 11, 10, 7, 4, 11, 3, 25, 7, 10, and 6. So that's third period. Seventh period, same idea. Now we're going to the right. We have 4.
Pardon the interruption, we have a...
All right, sorry about that. We had an announcement come on the PA. Sounded like some kind of emergency. We have a 10, 12, 10, 2, another 2, an 8, 18, 15, 15, 27, 11, 5, 3, 4, 2, and 18. All right, now we move into comparative talk. So if you need to make a note on how to do that, we are going to compare center, unusual, shape, and spread. You do not need to go line by line. You just need to compare those four things. All right? So skimming through that, I had the medians. I'm trying to remember what they are. I feel like the median, let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So the median for third period is the average of the 11th and the 12th. 9, 10, 11. So it looks like 8 and 10, so the median is 9. And over here, a little easier to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So it is the 9th value. So it looks like it's 10. All right, we have a whole lesson on median coming up. So we'll practice that when we get there. But for AP statistics, we want to talk similarities and differences among center, unusual, shape, and spread. Both class periods have similar centers for pairs of shoes. We want to make sure we get that context in there. With third having a median of 9 and seventh having a median of 10. They also both have positive skew. They're both tailing off in the positive direction. Some people have misunderstood that. So the skew is where the tail is, not where the mass of the data is, but where it's tailing off. So like this one is tailing off in that direction, like that. All right. Let's see, the spread, I would say, is also pretty similar. So let's say ranges are also similar. Third ranges from 3 to 25. And seventh ranges from 2 to 27. The difference is unusual. A difference, and I'm about out of room. I'm going to write one long line at the bottom. Is seventh period has a possible outlier at 27 with no other people in the 20s. Whereas third has no outliers. and 4 people in the 20s, and I'm out of room. And 4 in, sorry for the space, in the 20s, barely fit that. And I think that's enough. You could compare the peaks. That is another interesting thing in regards to shape. I'm out of space though. All right, I hope that helps. That's our comparative stem plot. We did that on Monday. We also started histograms, but that'll be in another video. See y'all in class. Bye.